Hey guys, welcome to Apex Automotive. Today's video is going to be a quicker one, but I wanted to explain how to perform a neutral misfire monitor profile correction on a Ford using FORScan. When I originally did the correction on my Focus ST, I missed filming the initial steps of connecting to FORScan, so the beginning instructions in my video here are going to be of an F-150, but the process would be the same regardless of what model Ford you have. All right, so first of all, just key on. Then we'll go back over to FORScan. And you want to click this connect button down in the far left corner. I'm going to make sure this is in the high speed location. So right now it's just reading all the data from the car's ECU. You can see it's going down through all the modules here. Yes, you want to click yes if your adapter has the CAN switch. So I'm gonna click it to the low. Or maybe it's medium speed, I'm not sure. It's probably medium speed. High speed and medium speed, perhaps. Then it's gonna finish reading the modules. And I'm gonna save the profile. All right, fellas, so if you're performing a misfire monitor neutral profile correction, then you're gonna wanna click on the wrench over on the left-hand side here. Service functions is actually what it's called. Click on that, and then it actually comes up right at the top here. Now, since this one is selected, go ahead and click the play button down in the left-hand corner, which if you highlight it there, it's run service procedure. It's going to give you some different warnings there. Click OK. Then you have to make sure the switch is back on the high-speed HS CAN bus position. So I'm going to switch it back to HS. From there. Now it's back in high speed. Click OK. Please run the engine and keep it at idle. So since it's cold, it's probably going to have to run for a little while and warm up. It's important that it's at operating temperature. So we're going to go ahead and start the car. I have my seat way back, so see if I can reach. And as you can see, we still have a check engine light. The reason why I'm running this procedure just to relearn the crank position and hopefully clear this code out. We're just gonna let the car warm up, bring it up to operating temperature, and then we'll be able to continue with the correction. We're gonna go ahead and click OK. Oh, beautiful. All right, well, why don't we just go on a quick drive?
A few moments later.
All right, so that's a little bit of a plot twist. I was gonna back out of the driveway and it automatically started its system. I really wonder if putting the car in reverse and applying throttle to back out of the driveway, if that circulated the coolant perhaps, and all of a sudden, it met its target temperature. But I think that it works best, just let the car idle, leave it parked, and let it come up to that temperature. And it's good to just ready your foot at the throttle, because once it meets, I believe it reads 80 degrees Celsius. Maybe I need to change my values in FORScan right now, but it reads 80. When it reaches that temperature, it automatically gives you the prompt to rev the engine up to the specific RPM. So it's probably best start it up, let it warm up, and then be ready, because once it hits that target, it's going to automatically start the prompts. All right, let's try this again. Went back in underneath service procedures, clicked on service procedures. Click OK. Okay. Maybe it's still cold. Okay, here we go. Raise it to 3,300. I want to hear this thing. It's been so long. I guess that's it. Look at this. Check engine light gone. I tell you what. Must have been the deal. That's the bee's knees right there. I'm curious if we go drive if it's gonna come back.